Well, welcome back to hashtag miatalife. Project update, working on my car. I don't have a cold this time, so I sound a little better. Doing a install on a Catback exhaust. This is the one I purchased. It is the Cobalt single tip. It's pretty nice. And it's just going to be a quick walkthrough video of doing this. It's not a hard job at all. Just unbolt the factory exhaust and bolt the new one on. As you can see, my stock muffler is a little rusty and it rattles pretty bad. So this is a much needed upgrade. So yeah. Alright, diving under here, you can see that my bolts for the Cat are not stock. I've already removed it once and snapped the bolts. So I replaced them. I was in the process of gutting my Cat, so it's already gutted. Here's my stock exhaust. And by the way, this is a 1.6, it's not a 1.8, in case you didn't know. So yeah. The bolts I have are 15 millimeter. Yours might be different if they're stock. But there's 5 exhaust hangers to pluck out, and then just the 2 bolts, and it should pull right out. Alright, now on your stock exhaust, you'll have the first hanger that's right here. And on the other side, you'll have this other hanger that's on the other side. And then there should be a few more around the muffler. Alright, so under the back of the car, you got that exhaust hanger there. There's one on that side. And then on this side, there's this one. And they just slip on out and you'll be good to go. And once you pop it loose, it'll fall down and you should be able to pull it through. Mine's a earlier model, so there's no chassis braces except for this aftermarket one. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, there it is, the stock exhaust. Pretty rough looking. And here's this. About to get it in. So yeah, pretty straightforward from here. Just basically bolting it on up. Popping the hangers on. One thing I will mention, mine's a 1.6. It's a, oh by the way, I had to use my jack to lift it up a little more. The ramps I have weren't quite high enough for me to wiggle the exhaust out, but I got it and it worked. Anyway, so mine's pre-96. It's an OBD1 car, and these only have one O2 sensor, which is in front of the Cat. This exhaust came with a O2 bunghole after the Cat, but you can plug it with pretty much anything that'll fit in there. I used a spark plug. Now this exhaust I got, if you can see it, only has one exhaust hanger. There's none on the other side. So you're only going to need to use this one. The one over here, you can just take it off, throw it away, use it as a butt plug, whatever you want to do with it. You don't need it. Alright, got this done, bolted in. Now I just got to do the back. Alright, I got the 3 exhaust hangers on, and it is done. And the bolts that they gave me for this kit are sized 14 and 16. 14 on that side and 16 millimeter on that side. At idle, it's really not much louder than stock. It just has a deeper, smoother tone to it. A little different than stock. I like it. About to take it for a test drive. Just got back from a quick little test drive, and I will say I'm quite impressed with it. It's not obnoxious, and it does sound good. So, thanks for watching.